Subway. Just ate a Subway sandwich out here in Oregon City. Look at this. Got a new bike. We've got a brand new bike behind me. It's not mine, it's my buddy's, so don't get excited. But look, here it is. I'm gonna cover this. We're gonna go like this. Dun, 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 dun. There it is. KTM 390 Adventure. It is brand new. It is literally just off the showroom floor right now. What is it, like 20 miles on it? 23 miles. And this thing is awesome. I've been sitting here scoping it out for the last 10 or 15 minutes, and we're gonna go putt around, put some heat cycles through it. We're just gonna cruise around some local parks, and then we're gonna stop and I'll get some b-roll for it, for you guys to check it out. Yeah. All right, let's hear it fire up, dude.
Second, what? That's the thing. The first thing I don't like about it is getting into neutral is hard.
Is it?
Yeah, what the hell? Go into neutral. First, second, neutral. That's pretty good.
Yeah. It's got that thumper sound. Yeah.
Yes.
All right, guys. So this is the Oregon Motorcycle Channel. This is your first time tuning in. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Trying to get to that's right, don't forget to ring the bell. Thanks. And yeah, I'm trying to hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, which is this year, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna make it, and then I'm gonna set another goal, and all you guys can help me get there. I don't know. Okay, I'll do this. We take the other road. We go this way because we're on adventure bikes. Woo! Yeah. All right. So yeah, I got some of the links down below, you guys. Coffee, and there's accessories that are on my bike. There's all kinds of Amazon links down there. There's my P.O. box and email if you want to email me directly. All that good stuff. All that good stuff. So like I said, we're gonna hit some parks. So I want to hit this park first, and we'll go look at the river, and then I want to go to Meldrum Bar and see if Meldrum Bar is open. We can actually drive into the river there if it's open.
Sounds like a bad idea, driving into the river.
Nah, look, that could have been an accident right there, dude. No, the river's really low right now, and I think we could drive on the bar. Maybe. And technically, it wouldn't be taking your new bike off-road on the first ride. It would be taking it in river. It's a big difference there. Freaking packed. Look how many people are in the river swimming. So obviously Meldrum Bar is open, so we can cruise over there. This is Meldrum Bar right here on the other side of the river. So this is the Clackamas River, and it's actually higher than I thought. Give you guys a little view. Everybody enjoying their summer out there. It's interesting how the disc rotor is on the left-hand side.
Yeah.
I mean, I wonder.
I think it matters.
I just wonder why. Like, why would a manufacturer choose one side over the other?
That looks a little sketchy, dude. Those rocks look pretty big.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know if I've driven out there before. I've walked out there a couple times, but I was just gonna check it out. If you don't want to, you don't have to. I mean, it's river rock. It's a river.
Yeah. Shade somewhere.
Well, let's go up there to the other side then, and we can find some shade there. Or, dude, I know where shade is, bro. I was gonna tell you, dude, like exactly 7 months ago is when I got my bike. I got mine on the 21st.
Oh, nice.
You got yours on the 21st. It's interesting. All right. You want me to lead or you want to lead?
Yeah, you can lead off.
Okay.
It's just a parking lot.
Yep.
Authorized vehicles only. Not authorized.
This one doesn't say authorized only. Oh, there's a freaking gate. Dang it.
This is a nasty gravel road.
Where are you? Oh, that's not the parking lot?
I'm in the parking lot.
Oh.
Where are you?
In this field. I may have...
Field?
Yeah, I may have not went the right way. No, I'm good. I'm good.
Field?
Yeah, I'm out now. I'm
Oh,
right.
I see you.
I'm out.
I see. Okay. I'm behind you.
Oh, did you go down it?
I'm going down it. Woo! Off-roading on the KTM.
Yeah. Yeah, just be careful. Don't hit a rock.
Got a skid plate.
Nice. Oh, yeah. Sweet.
Off-roading. Yeah, dude, I'm hyped.
Cool. Yeah, I like how it gives you the range. They don't give me the range on this one.
What the temperature though?
But like I said on Sunday, it's more of an adventure that way. You don't know when the gas is going to run out. We should just disconnect the fuel gauges in our bikes and go for a ride and see what happens. It is pretty grippy though.
I'm slamming on the
Oh,
red
wait.
brake, it's not slipping. Oh, I need to switch it to off-road ABS.
Yeah, see what happens. And then you can play with your traction control.
Neutral. Okay. Set. Where's ABS. Off-road. Traction control on.
I seen it lock up there.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, he was like, definitely make sure you switch it to off-road.
So are you able to break the tire loose?
Yeah, there you go. Like that?
No, I mean like doing a burnout.
Oh, you want me to?
Yeah, I want to see if that traction control.
Yeah, it's not. This front's moving.
Well, I know, like no, if you're just riding, you're all trying to power brake. Shit.
What?
No, I'm like if you take off and ride and then punch it, will it break loose?
Oh. It felt like it was. Was it not doing that?
Yeah, it felt like it was doing a little bit of roost, but I thought it wasn't if the traction control's on.
Yeah, it feels like it's slipping.
It is a little bit, but can you tell that it's being limited?
No, I mean.
Okay,
Not really.
then turn it off and then do the same thing. Just punch it and then see if it breaks loose like even more. I bet it will, dude.
You're like, do a burnout, and I'm like, alright.
Not that kind of burnout.
Alright, traction control. Traction control off. It says press and close throttle. Okay. Release button. Off. Okay, traction control's off. I don't know. Feels the same to me.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I don't know. I'm gonna leave it on until I get a little more experience.
Yeah. Well, when you're able to really roost on it, you know, and punch it, then you can really see what it could do.
Sweet.
Hell yeah, all those options are sweet.
You're definitely breaking it loose.
Yeah, well, I don't have the fancy traction control training wheels. Oh.
Right, back on the road.
Yeah, unless you want to play here more or do something else.
I'm just putting it back on the road.
Gotcha. I don't. You already do it?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Tried to fall over on me right there. Had to put my foot down. All right, guys. We're getting ready to call it quits. We got to get home and eat dinner and do all the good stuff. I think tomorrow we might be going out and taking it off-road, like some real off-roading. But overall, this is an awesome machine, you guys. We'll probably do some more videos on it, you know, and just kind of doing a comparison between the two bikes. But it's in a break-in stage right now, so it's flashing the shift light early, so we don't really know how much power it's got or how fast it is. But it's an awesome looking machine, and that's about it. So you put how many miles you got on it?
Let's see. 58.
58. All right. So what's your first initial impressions? I mean, you like it?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a great bike to learn. Going
Awesome.
off-road.
Yeah, I think so too. I totally think so. It's freaking awesome. I love it. All right. Till next time, folks. Oregon Motorcycle. Sweet, dude. Rad. Super congratulations on your new bike, dude.
Thank you.
It's so awesome. Yeah, dude. I'm so proud for you. I love it. It's rad. All right, dude. Text me tomorrow.
Yeah. All right, take it easy, man.
Later.